I made Minecraft's crossbow in real life. Let's see how powerful it is. It surely pops balloons. And how about a mob? No, not yet. Wait, before I eliminate him, I have to complete these 4 tasks starting with the body. Like in Minecraft, I made the spine out of wood and thick cardboard. Next, I drilled holes for the trigger mechanism. Right here is the holder and the trigger. They sound like wood, but it's all hard cardboard. The locking system works like this. By pulling the trigger, it releases the string. A quick test with a rubber band and it worked perfectly. I used 2 wooden sticks for the limbs. I layered and sanded them to handle serious power. Cutting them took hours. These are all the layers, plus the plastic ones. It looks shiny, but I have to scratch the surface so the glue sticks better. Yes, it hurts, but now they've got that frosty look. Next, I glued everything together using lime and super glue, because lime doesn't stick to plastic. I also cut a chunk of wood to fit the limb perfectly. Now for the most satisfying part, assembling the wings. I drilled extra holes for stability, and this thing is not falling apart mid-shot. And these donuts, they're hard cardboard, and I'm gonna turn them into hamburgers, you'll see. Pretty much everything I have built is 90% recycled. Now it's time to paint the crossbow. I sped this part up because watching me attach the string, but if that's what you want to build, full version is in the description below. Also yes, I'm giving away $100 to one of you, more on that later. Here is where the entire power comes from these powerful elastics. Here is the crossbow. It works, but it isn't powerful enough. So I did what any Minecraft player would do. I cut this crossbow in half and glued on an extension. The reason why I did that is because the further I stretch the elastics, the more power they can produce. Plus I made the cubes on it. Boom, the problem is solved. After hours of working, planning, and failing, here I am with the world's most powerful Minecraft crossbow in real life. Let's test this. 3, 2, 1, go! So after some calculations, the top speed was reached by the smaller arrow with 30 meters per second, equal to 108 kilometers per hour. For my American viewers, here is the number. And the most joules were achieved by the bigger arrow with 4.3 joules. I didn't want to show you this, but the arrows are flying horribly. So I'm gonna fix the arrows so they fly straight, make sure that they don't slip by themselves, and build a scope to aim better. I'm gonna fix these in the next crossbow video, but first I need to complete a mission. It was getting dark outside. On our way home I needed to mine some blocks, which says subscribe and $100 giveaway. Oh yes, you can win the money by downloading. Suddenly Bilal heard some weird noises from behind. It was a mob coming to kill him. Because of panic, he attacked him with his sword, but it was destroyed immediately. Bilal was losing health too. With his crossbow, he shot him 3 darts, but he still didn't die. He ran as fast as he could behind the tree and reloaded powerful rubber bands and bigger arrow. And this time, he killed him. So to win $100, you have to build this crossbow with my template, then send a photo, and the best build wins. The rules plus links are in the description below, and there are only 1,000 spots left, so act fast. Before the next mob spawns, subscribe.